supposed to be followed by resources.
Mucirithania munene bururi-ini Martha Koome amwe na munene wa watho Kihara ni amwe ya atongoria aria ndumiriri cia wikinyirio mbere ya maseneta aria magomanite mwena wa Naivasha kiugamano kiria kingirire thikũ ya keri umuthi.
Supposed to be followed by resources.
Kuhitukira ndumiriri iria ikinyirio na njira ya video, Koome ni ateterithirie wirutiri wa igoti ikaru wa guthie na mbere na gutetera wathani wa thirikari cia matuura eno ari bunge ya gatatu ya Senate kuma riria utamburukia wa mahinya wambiriirie mwaka-ini wa 2013.
In every instance where devolution has been threatened, the courts have listened to the calling, and specifically the Supreme Court has stepped in to defend the spirit of the devolution.
Koome akiriukia mamwe ma macira maria igoti riri rianakinyaniria rikirongoreria kurugamia kihoto thirikari-ini cia matuura.
The Supreme Court rendered an advisory opinion on how the recurrent failure between the Senate and the National Assembly to agree on the division of revenue bill would be resolved.
Ndugamano gatagati ka bunge ya Senate na bunge ya bururi mwaka-ini wa 2020 igimainie na watho wa ugai wa kigina ari umwe wa macira maya.
The Supreme Court of Kenya has similarly played a constructive role by developing jurisprudence that enables the institutions established under the devolved system of governance to operate effectively.
While both houses of parliament have legislative powers, all bills concerning counties must be considered by the Senate.
Umwe wa maria mareyumiririe kigomano-ini giki muthenya wa ira ni njira cia kuororohia ndugamano ria ikoretwo ho gatagati ka bunge ici cieri, ndumiriri ya munene wa watho Kihara ikigweta ngucanio ici ari umwe wa maria marahotomia ugashiru wa wathani wa thirikari cia matuura.
We also have witnessed stalemates between the Senate and the National Assembly regarding the passage of critical laws such as the Division of Revenue Act, which forms the basis of the division of revenue between the national government and the county governments. If this functional distinction between the Senate and the National Assembly does not operate as required by the Constitution, there is the risk of the legislative process being delayed or the resulting laws being declared unconstitutional.
Speaker wa bunge ya Senate Amason Kingi ni akoretwo akihinyiriria bunge no ithukirwo kigina gia kuhotithia maseneta gukinyaniria mawira mao. Governor wa Naikuru no uria urari senator wa county no Susan Kihika ruwa kiendekithia mogaruruku ma gatiba maria mekuhe bunge no mahinya makiria wathani-ini wa county. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.